Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about real-time scenario based SQL. Okay, so here you can see this is our bill details table. This is our bill date, bill number, category, net sales and quantity. So here you can see in this bill date 1st of October 2024. Okay, first bill number here you can see, but the second bill number is repeated. Why? The customer in the second bill, in the same bill he took t-shirt and trouser. Okay, that is net sales and quantity. So in the first day, the 1st of October, how many bills are generated? One, and these two are same, so we will take these two as same. 1 2 3 and 4 bills are generated in the 1st of October. 1 2 3 and 4. Now how many quantities are there? Here you can see 2 3 4 5 6. So 4 bills and 6 quantity in a single day. Okay, so what is required to get? We required quantity divided by count of bill. So total quantity and total distinct bill count. So if I divide it, I will get what is our basket size of that particular day. Okay, so what we have to do, here you can see. So for that thing, what we do, we'll select, then count of so I do not need all bill numbers, right? I need distinct bill number. Okay, distinct count of bill number. So count of distinct bill number as bill count. Okay, comma. So I need total quantity, so sum of quantity as QTY. Okay, now I need bill date also, because I have to do group by to get each of day what is our basket size. So for the select statement I need bill date. So bill date from our table name is bill details table. So control C, from bill details group by bill date, right? So if I run this, what I will get? I will get each and every day what is the distinct bill count and what is the quantity. Okay, now what I have to do, I need divide quantity divided by bill date to get the basket size of a particular day. Okay, so for that thing what I will do, we'll create a CTE with CTE as, so I'll put this thing in a CTE. Then I need all of these, so I'll take star, select star, comma, and after that I need the divide, right? So I need quantity as a float value. Okay, so what I will do, I'll do cast of QTY, so it is coming from here, cost of quantity as float. Okay, divided by count of bill. Okay, divided of bill count, bill count as average basket size. from city. Okay, so if I run this, here you can see, if I run this, what I get, I am getting, so total for the 1st of October I am getting total quantity 6 and bill count is 4. So 6 divided by 4, this is our 1.5 is that day's basket size, average basket size. Okay, so why it is count of bill is coming 4, here you can see, we did not take all of total, we did not take all count, we take distinct count 1, 2, 3 and 4 for a single day and divided by with quantity. So like this we can create average basket size of each and every day. Okay, so this type of questions comes, so this type of real-time based scenario questions. So I think you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share it among your friends. Thank you guys, thank you.